Well, here we go. We're off to Texas to pick up our RV. And we've got
chicken!
And no chicken. Easton said I can't get a chicken. And we've got a crowd in the car. And Easton, what's the word for our trip? Chaos. This is going to be total chaos, but we're okay because we love each other.
Craziness!
Craziness.
I think you can put your feet back a little bit.
Well, we're continuing our ride to Texas. We're about 50 miles outside of Joplin. Should be in Oklahoma in about an hour. Crystal's driving now. Hello, there's Easton and Tam. Grammy in the back. Well, we're having an exciting time following these turkeys. Yeah, I call them turkeys because, well, that's what they are. I think we're going to pass this one thing of turkeys. We're getting feathers all over the car. I guess this is one of those only in Missouri things. This is exit 1, so that means we're 1 mile away from Big OK. For us, for me anyway, first time in Oklahoma. Never landed by airplane there, never even driven through it. Oh good, we're going to Oklahoma, got a toll road. I guess it costs money to get into Oklahoma. Downstream Cascino right here on the border. We've got some bumpy roads. There's the sign.
We're in Oklahoma.
Welcome to Oklahoma. Well, we're still in Oklahoma. We stopped at the Choctaw Travel Plaza. Well, this has been a fairly easy trip. We got out of Mountain View at about 8 o'clock this morning and gone through Missouri and Oklahoma. We should be in Texas tonight. We'll get up in the morning and head down to Motorhome Specialists and finalize our new RV. Well, we're still heading towards Texas. GPS told us to get off the interstate and get on Highway 69 in Oklahoma. Roads are so bad we have to drive in the far left lane. So we're heading into Pryor, Oklahoma. Oh my gosh, they still have a video store here. Well, no, it was closed. It's kind of crazy to see a video store. Well, we're coming up to the Red River.
Look over there, Easton.
Here's your border.
Old
So
Bridge.
right on the other side of this should be Texas.
Here it is. Is this it on this side? It's on this side.
Everyone at the train.
Welcome to Texas.
We are in Texas.
We're actually in Texas?
Yep. Look right there.
Everyone's getting ready to go to Motorhome Specialist to pick up our new RV. Easton's definitely ready with his suit and his coffee. Oh, now it's working.
Yay.
Jeremy just
We
had
can do a
to
tour of your new RV. We got to go do a tour of the RV before we put all of our junk in. Did I just say that on camera?
Yeah.
We got the whole crew with us.
Hi.
Pick up some parts. The film may be fuzzy, but I'm backing in the RV for the first time. I made it.
Well, there's our new RV. We're going to leave it here. We're going to head off to the Fort Worth Stockyards. See some cattle. And then we're going to come back here and either drive home tonight or spend another night here.
Going into the stockyard. They're getting the cows ready. And there's Fort Worth in the background. We're waiting for the cattle drive.
Well, and that,
It's a little cold today. About 30, maybe 35 degrees. Here they come.
In 16 hours a day. So you know what? Fort Worth is pretty good going north. It's pretty good going south. I'm just going to stay here in Fort Worth.
A lot
Now, they
of people
didn't
wait
just
for
get a bunch
the
of
cattle
cows,
drive.
drummers, and headed up north, pointed north, and said, let's go cows. It's not the way it works.
The people are waiting, and the cattle drive is starting at the end of the road. Everyone's waiting to ride. All in front of the Texas flag. Where was it? It's all the shops and the old train. Not yet. They have lots of hats in here. We're looking for a hat. I guess we're all looking for hats. Did you find one, Kendall?
Yeah.
Longhorn General Store behind us.
Now we're looking for barbecue. I think we might be eating here. Whiskey's. We are going through the stockyard again and going back to our car, driving to pick up our new RV and head back to Missouri. It's getting late, so I think we're going to stop at a casino campground for the night. It was a very nice campground, and now we're on our way the next morning.
Well, hopefully you can see that moon. It's in the background, beautiful. As you know, we've been in Texas and Oklahoma. We're 27 miles from Springfield and 127 miles from home. Let's see what Grammy has to say about this long trip in her new RV.
It's been a great trip, and I love the RV. We've been back from Texas for a week. Now we're off to Kansas City to see the Kansas City Chiefs in a playoff game. This is the Kansas City Union Station. They have all kinds of things set up here today, memorabilia and other things, ready for the Kansas City game tonight. We're here at Fritz's Railroad Station Restaurant. You call in your order and a train delivers it. I think our train's coming. We're at Fritz's Railroad Restaurant. Here it is. Now going back through this beautiful train station. They have good restaurants in here also. Baggage wagon. There's our RV down there. Waiting for us. The girls have their sweatshirts and hat caps and signs all made up, their faces painted. They're all ready for the Kansas City Chiefs game tonight. Now heading to the stadium. It was quite a crowd, but very exciting. Kansas City won the playoff.